Welcome once again to my channel Blue Chip Finance Education and Learning. In this video, we are going to discuss about index number once again with respect to paper 2018 supplementary for Federal Board, and it is also applicable to other boards related to business statistics and simply statistics. So let's start the video. First, your extensive question is that construct index number for 1995 from the following data taken 1990 as base. Laspers method, Pastjes and Fisher ideal index method. So ये weighted index number का question है जिसके अंदर Laspers, Pastjes और Fisher के formulas को calculate करने हैं. Laspers का जो formula है वो है sum of P1 Q naught divided by sum of P naught Q naught. After that, Pastjes method is equals to sum of P1 Q1 divided by sum of P naught Q1. And Fisher is just geometric mean of Laspers and Pastjes method. So there are two methods. One is called Laspers and the other one is called Pastjes method. So दो टाइम पीरियड्स हैं आपके पास. You have two time periods 1990 and 1995. Your base time period is 1990. So base price is P naught and base quantity is Q naught. And current time period is 1995. So current time period price is P1 and current time period quantity is considered as Q1. So P naught, Q naught, P1, Q1. With the help of this data, we are going to calculate these four calculations: P naught Q naught, P1 Q naught, P1 Q1, P naught Q1. So first of all, just put your data into tabular form and assign the symbols. For 1990 price P naught, for 1990 quantity Q naught, for 1995 price P1 and for 1995 क्वांटिटी Q1. और जस्ट इन के रेफरेंस से मल्टीप्लाई करते जाएं P नॉट Q नॉट. सो वेयर इज P नॉट? हियर इज P नॉट एंड Q नॉट. सो 10 multiplied by 120, 8 multiplied by 150, 12 multiplied by 80, 15 multiplied by 60. Calculations are given here. Just take the sum, that is 4260. So your sum of P naught Q naught equals to 4260. After that, we need P1 Q naught. So where is P1? Here is P1 and Q naught column is here. So 12 multiplied by 120, 10 multiplied by 150, 13 multiplied by 80 and 20 multiplied by 60. Calculations are given here. So just take the sum, that is 5180. So sum of P1 Q naught equals to 5180. After that, we need P1 Q1. So here is P1's column and here is Q1's column. So just multiply these two values. 12 multiplied by 100, 10 multiplied by 130, 13 multiplied by 70 and 20 multiplied by 50. Calculations are given here and sum of P1 Q1 equals to 4410. In the same way, you can calculate P naught Q1 and P naught column is here and Q1 column is here. So 10 multiplied by 100, 8 multiplied by 130, 12 multiplied by 70 and 15 multiplied by 50. And your sum of P naught Q1 is 3630. So after getting these calculations, just put these values, these sums into the formulas. Laspers method is sum of P1 Q naught divided by sum of P naught Q naught multiplied by 100. So 5180 divided by 4260 multiplied by 100 and your answer is 121.59. After that, Pastjes index is equals to sum of P1 Q1 divided by sum of P naught Q1 multiplied by 100. Just take the sums from here. 4410 divided by 3630 multiplied by 100. And your Pastjes index number is 121.48. From Laspers index perspective, inflation is 21.59% in 1995 with respect to base period 1990. Whereas according to Pastjes index, inflation is 21.48% in 1995 with respect to the base time period, that is 1990. After the calculation of these two, Laspers and Pastès, Fisher's ideal index equals to Laspers multiplied by Pastès index under root. So just put these values here, 121.59 multiplied by 121.48, and calculate this square root, and the result is 121.53. After getting this, your Fisher's ideal index is 121.53. So that is your extensive question. After that, your short questions. Define price relative and link relative. First of all, price relative is also always equals to Pn divided by P naught multiplied by 100, in which Pn stands for current time period price, P naught stands for base time period price, whereas link relatives are equals to Pn divided by Pn minus 1 multiplied by 100, in which Pn stands for current time period price and Pn minus 1 is previous time period price. After that, price relatives are used in the calculation of simple index number, and also it is used in the composite index number average of relative method. Whereas link relatives are also used in simple index number, where we need to calculate the chain index, and it can also be used in composite index number average of relative method, where we calculate chain index method. So mostly price relative method is used in fixed base method, and link relative method is used in chain based method. After that, second question, for the given link relatives 100, 120, 102, 118 and 112, find chain indices. So these are your link relatives. You have no need to calculate link relatives, because link relatives are also calculated. So 100, 120, 102, 118 and 112. So just place these values here, and after that you finally you are required, or you are asked to calculate the chain index, in which it is the case of simple index, because product is only one. There are not multiple link relatives for multiple products, but product is only one. So chain index in simple index number is always equals to previous chain multiplied by current link relative divided by 100, whereas in case of composite index number, your chain index is equals to previous chain multiplied by current average divided by 100. But it is the case of simple index number, so your index chain index is equals to previous chain multiplied by current link relative divided by 100. So for first time period, your chain is 100, because you don't have previous chain, so that is why it should be considered as 100. After that, for second time period, now this formula will be applied from here. Your previous chain is 100 multiplied by current link relative is 120 divided by 100. So chain index is 120. For third year, your previous chain is 120 multiplied by current average, that is 102 divided by 100 equals to 122.4. For fourth year, your previous chain is 122.4, your current average is 118 divided by 100, and chain is 144.43. For fifth time period, your previous chain is 144.43 multiplied by current link relative is 112 divided by 100, and finally your chain index is 161.7616. After that, your MCQs related to the topic of index number, those are asked in the paper of 2018 supplementary. There are two index related MCQs. First one is, if Laspers index is 116 and Pastès index is 118, then Fisher's index says it is very easy to calculate, because we already calculated in previous paper and in this paper as well. Just simply multiply these two index numbers and take the under root, and your answer is 112.96. Second MCQ is in chain based method. The base period is not fixed, as you saw here, that your base price is, or base link relative is not fixed. You are changing continuously. Here you took 120, here you took 102, 118, 112, so you are changing. So in chain based method, the base period is not fixed, whereas in fixed base method, your base period should be fixed. So these are two MCQs of paper 2 and 18 supplementary. So for next more questions and more videos, just wait till then. Stay safe, stay blessed, take care of yourself and other persons. You. Thank you.